Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm back. So today we're gonna make a simple dish, and it's gonna be just some shrimp and spam fried rice with the veggies, of course, some egg, all the ingredients. I'm gonna be listing them down below, and I'm gonna let you guys listen to this nice little ASMR sounds. So enjoy, and I'll catch you back up. Alright. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys can see, it was a super easy, super fast recipe, and yeah, I hope you guys check it out, try it out. I used some red chili oil and salt and pepper just to season it up a little bit, but since everything else already has their own flavor, then not much was needed. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it. Try it. Go ahead, make it for a party. Try it out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.